In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Zoom to a Slack workspace. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First things first, let's get started by opening your Slack workspace. You can do this on your desktop or laptop, whichever you prefer. Once you're in, look for the Slack app directory. You can usually find this by clicking on the Apps option in the left sidebar, or by directly accessing the directory through the search feature. Now, once you're in the app directory, you'll want to type Zoom into the search bar. A list of apps will pop up, but make sure you select the official Zoom app from the results. It's important to choose the official one to ensure you get the right features and security. After selecting the Zoom app, you will see a button that says Add. Click on that. This action will initiate the process of adding Zoom integration to your Slack workspace. Now, here comes a crucial step. Once you click Add, Slack will prompt you to review the permissions they require to authorize the integration. Take a moment to read through these permissions. It's always good to know what access you're granting. If everything looks good to you, you can go ahead and click Allow. This allows Zoom to sync with your Slack workspace, which means that you'll be able to create and manage Zoom meetings directly from Slack. Now that Zoom is integrated into your Slack workspace, let's move on to how to launch a Zoom meeting right from Slack. This is where things really get convenient. Head back to any channel or direct message thread where you'd like to start a conversation about a Zoom meeting. In the message field, type the command /Zoom and hit enter. Just like that, Slack will instantly generate and post a live Zoom meeting link in the chat window. This is super handy because everyone in that conversation can just click on the link to join the meeting right away without any extra steps. And that's it. You've now successfully added Zoom to your Slack workspace and learned how to start a meeting with just a few keystrokes. This is a fantastic way to streamline your communication and collaboration efforts, especially if you're working remotely or coordinating with teams. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you how awesome it is to have tools like Slack and Zoom working together. It simplifies the scheduling and launching of meetings, making it easier for teams to connect over video calls without leaving the platform they're already using. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please be sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. This way, you won't miss out on any future tips and tricks that can help enhance your productivity. Until next time, happy collaborating.